Let's solve this together. It says 27 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 minus x over 9 raised to power 2x is equal to 243. And we're going to solve for x in this question. Alright. So the first thing we can do here is that 27, okay, is equal to 3 cubed. 9 is equal to 3 squared. 243 is equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay, so we are then going to replace 27, 9, and 243 with this in this equation. Alright, 3 raised to power 3, all raised to the power of x, multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 minus x, divided by 3 raised to power 2, raised to the power of 2x, is equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay, now at this point, when you have something like 3 raised to power 3 raised to power x, you multiply the power. So you have 3 raised to power 3 times x is 3x. Okay, so you're going to have 3 raised to power 3x multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 minus x divided by 3 raised to power 4x is equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay, moving on from here, we are going to have, when you have the same base, you add the powers. So we have 3 raised to power 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 1 minus x will now be equal to 3 raised to power 3x plus 1 minus x divided by 3 raised to power 4x to be equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay, now 3 raised to power x minus 3x minus x is 2x, so we have 3 raised to power 2x plus 1. Okay, now when you're dividing additional number in the same base, so you are saying that this is an index and this is an index. When they're in the same base, you subtract the powers. Okay, so we have that this will now become minus 4x to be equal to, okay, sorry for this, to be equal to 3 raised to power 5. Okay, now this now becomes 3 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 4x. 2x minus 4x is negative 2x. So we have 3 raised to power negative 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 5. When the bases are the same, you equate the powers. So we have that 3 will strike 3 here. So we have that negative 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. From here, we now have that 2x will be equal to negative 4. Hence our x will be equal to negative 4 divided by 2, which is equal to negative 2. Okay, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.